I'll be teaching you how to download legitimate music with MP3 music downloader on phone, founded by Kagluko Investments. The first step is to enter Google Play Store and search for MP3 music downloader. Yes. From there, you'll see download MP3 music on the after Boomplay, the download, press it. Then, second step is to press the app and tap install. Tap install. After the app is done, open it. You allow it to access everything on your device. The third step is to press the search button and search for a song. Let's search for the song No Other God. From there you'll see many choices, so we'll press the first one just for trial. Yeah, that's why the song is playing. Then you tap pause. After that, on your extreme right, you'll see a button. It's the install button, so we'll just tap onto it to download the song. From there, it will start installing and you'll see the progress. Yeah, after it's done, let's go to the music app where the music goes. Then you press music. Then you search No Other God. There it is. And that's how you get to install an app, a song legitimately. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.